Hi, my name is Akshay Shah. I'm the Group Executive Director of SilAfrica Plastics and Packaging. We're a 50-year-old packaging manufacturing company. We have operations in Tanzania, Kenya, Ethiopia. We employ over 1,000 people. We run probably over 100 machines in these 3 locations. Today I want to talk about sustainable manufacturing. This is something which I'm really deeply passionate about. And we have a model in SilAfrica about the way we think about sustainable manufacturing. So the way we think about it is, it all in the very center is all about the product and the customer. Obviously, our customer is buying the product from us. We need to have conversations with the customer about how we can make this product more recyclable, lower weight, just to make it more environmentally friendly. So it could be that the product is lower weight, it could be that the product is made from recycled materials, but it's not a conversation that we can have by ourselves. Our customer is a partner in this innovation. And once we figured out the design of the product, we then look at the manufacturing layer. This is where we have molds and machines. Now, here also we can improve our sustainability in manufacturing by going for molds that have got higher capacity, higher output, so that with every shot we're able to produce more with less energy. And also the machines. A machine of, say, 20-year-old, 10-year-old is a lot more energy inefficient than compared to a new generation machine. And this is because of changes in motor technology. It is because of changes in essentially the way the machines are designed to be able to achieve higher output at lower energy cost. So going for the right manufacturing technology can actually make the business more sustainable from an energy footprint, environmental footprint. Outside of the manufacturing layer is another layer which we could call it the utilities or the support layer. So I think anybody in manufacturing knows that just having a machine to produce whatever it is, or to fill a product or whatever, in itself is not manufacturing. It has to be supported from things like chillers, compressors, cooling towers, generators, transformers. There's a lot that goes into supporting the actual manufacturing process itself. And there is really where a lot of energy can be wasted. So some of the things that SilAfrica is doing in the area of utilities and support is investing in on-grid solar. So we put in about 300 kilowatts of solar. We're looking at scaling that up. And in total, our aim is to put in close to 1,000 kilowatts of solar in order to bring down our environmental footprint. And that helps to bring down the energy cost. Other things that we're doing is looking at more energy efficient chillers and compressors. So new generation equipment is using a concept called variable frequency drives. So it only kicks in whenever there's a demand for chilled water or compressed air. It doesn't just keep running all the time. So making the equipment a bit more smarter and more energy efficient through new technology also helps us to become a more sustainable manufacturer. And the final piece, which is really, I would say, the future of manufacturing, the cutting edge of where we are going as an industry, is this is widely known as Industry 4.0, and it uses essentially enabling technologies like IoT, Internet of Things. So what we're trying to do here is essentially get the equipment that we are using, the molds, the machines, the utilities, even the people, to be involved in something called a smart factory. So if the machines themselves are able to provide us the data, how much is being made, how much energy am I consuming, how much water am I consuming, how am I performing? Imagine if I'm the machine and every second on a real-time basis I'm able to provide this information, and this is going into a software that is able to analyze millions and millions of gigabytes of data on a real-time basis using AI, then we will be able to find out from this analysis where are the gaps in efficiency, where could we run the plant in a better way in terms of planning and scheduling, where could we optimize cycle time, where could we optimize energy, and just simply move from the current status quo to an Industry 4.0 or a smart factory. And I think there will continue to be more innovation and evolution. There will be an Industry 5.0 as well. But currently something SilAfrica is doing is exploring at the very early stages how we define our journey using IoT to move into Industry 4.0. And this actually will help us to be one of the most sustainable manufacturing companies in East Africa.